everyone, Maria here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are creating this nice, sultry holiday look using the Christmas Dreams TooFaced 2018 holiday collection. So I don't really want to make this intro very long, so I kind of went over all the products and everything in the beginning of the video before we started applying our base and stuff. Before we got into the look. Shoot, I can't talk today. I think it's because I'm hungry. But yeah, so in this video, you are going to see me apply the eyeshadows, the highlighters, the bronzers, the blush, and also the other stuff that came in. And you'll also see my thoughts on the products and, you know, whether I like it or not, you know me? So I really do like how the look turned out. It really wasn't what I was going for initially, but you know, my hands be having a mind of their own. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and hop into the video. You have to excuse my Olaf, my Olaf band-aid throughout the video. I cut myself the other day, so yeah. But yeah, anyway. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you've hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another upload from me. And let's hop into this video. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. As I mentioned, we are going to be using the TooFaced Christmas Dreams collection. This is their limited edition holiday collection. It comes with the Hangover Primer and Setting Spray. It comes with the Better Than Sex mascara and a lip gloss in the shade Pink Swan. It also comes with this nice size makeup bag, zipper bag. Like, this would be perfect for traveling. And of course, the star of the show, their Dream Queen eyeshadow face palette. So it comes with 24 eyeshadows plus 2 bronzers right here and 2 blushes. This is like a cooler tone bronzer, and this is like, you know, a warm toned bronzer, which will give you more of like a really bronzy glow as opposed to a true contour. And then it just has 2 blushes, which one of them is more like a blush with like gold reflex in it, so it's more of like a highlighted blush, and this is just like a regular blush. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into the eyeshadow, because as you can see, I already have my base and everything done. I just haven't done, like, you know, my contour, my highlight and all that, but it's cream contoured, so I kind of cheated a little, but whatever. I'm gonna zoom you all in so you can get real close and personal so we can get into this eyeshadow look. All right, so I think I'm gonna go in with, what's this called? Let's Kringle. I'm gonna use that one as my transition today. I was gonna take Unwrapped, which is this one right here, but that has like glitter in it, and I really don't want glitter in my crease, so. What I can say about these shadows is that they are nice and pigmented. It actually seems a lot more pigmented than the holiday collection that they came out with last year. The shadows in that, like, they have pigment, but this one seems to be a lot better than the one that they had last year, like a lot better. You do get quite a bit of kickback, but I think on top of that, I'm gonna go in with Son of a Nutcracker. And they layer up nicely also, seems. So I think we're gonna go with like these 3 here. So, I mean, kind of warm in the crease, but it's okay, it's okay. I'll go in with Special Delivery. So now we're just gonna go in with Holidays. In the inner lid, we're going to go in with Silver Bells. Or no, I want to take Twinkle. Oh, that's, ooh, it's powdery. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's real powdery. That gave me a lot of fallout. That one was really, really powdery. It's a pretty color though. I'm glad I went with this one, especially since I went warmer in the crease than I had anticipated on doing. I don't think the silver one would have given me what I really wanted. Alright, so I'm gonna go clean this up, use my face powder and clean this up. I will be right back and we will finish off the eyes. Alright, so that was a really quick cleanup. Like, it came off so easily, no issues whatsoever. So now we're just gonna go ahead and finish off this eye with a little liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion on the bottom. And I'm going to go in with Son of a Nutcracker first, and then Let's Kringle at the bottom. I mixed just a tiny bit of the black in there. All right, mascara time. Obviously, we're gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Let's do lashes. I don't know which lashes these are, but these are just like any like nice, thick, fluffy lash will do. Because I really have no idea which lash this is. I'm sorry. I know I suck at that. I gotta start putting these back in like the cases that I get them in, because I have a tendency to just like take my lash off and leave it wherever. And that's how I be forgetting what they're called, because I be having lashes everywhere and I just pick them up and put them on. So I said this one and this one, but I didn't tell you what it's called. So we're gonna mix chestnuts roasting and snow extra. We're gonna mix those together. Can't really hold it. So I'm not really mixing them together, but I'm just gonna put crisp chestnuts roasting on first, and then I'll put snow extra on top. Cause I definitely just lied to y'all. Saying I was gonna mix them together when I didn't. My bad, though. We're just gonna take snow extra and pop it in the inner corner. Like, y'all see that? Yes. Everything. This is giving me life. I'm actually gonna highlight with this as well. Yeah, I'll put that on first. Ooh, yes. That's pretty. That's pretty. So a little right there. So a little right there. Down the nose. Cupid's bow. Alright, for blush, I'm going to use both of them. I'm going to use Winterberry and Sweet on Santa. So I'm going to take Winterberry first, then Sweet on Santa. Just a little more Winterberry. And then do the lips. It has like a coconut smell to it. Like, I've never used that before. When you use too much, huh? Okay. All right. Almost died. All right, so I'm gonna line my lips. I'm probably not gonna keep this lip gloss on, but just for video purposes, we're just gonna do it and see what happens. But I'm probably gonna end up going with a nude lip, but we just gonna see. And we're just gonna take Pink Swan. Okay, so this is like a metallic-y gloss. Try this again. Oh no, this is ugly. This seems more like a, it seems more like a topper as opposed to like, yeah, so, yeah, no, it's just, all right, we're back, we're done, guys, with this nice holiday look. Yeah, like overall, I do like the TooFaced holiday collection this year. I like it a lot better than the one last year. The eyeshadows, yes, honey, we do like the eyeshadows. The only thing that I didn't like was this. This, gotta go. So yeah, but overall, I really like the Too Faced Holiday Collection this year, other than that Pink Swan lip gloss. Other than that, everything else was top notch. We'll see how the Hangover setting spray does on my skin, because you all know that I am like combination oily, like I'm oily up in here, and I really like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm done. I am hungry, so I'm about to go feed my stomach. Wow, y'all, you know, I mean, y'all here, so y'all might as well just sit here and watch another video, or 2 or 3, or however many I have, you know, just sit here and watch another video. I'm gonna go eat. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.